Uh-oh. Why is my computer moving so slow? Don't want to get caught in this. If it's not gonna bounce. Nice. Bounce. Keep bouncing. Keep bouncing. Keep bouncing. All right. Definitely gotta sell some real quick. Come on, computer. Oh my gosh. This thing is moving so slow this morning. Alright, nice and easy does it. Let's see if I could get some off at 70, 30 at 38. Come on. Oh my god. Alright, so I just snagged that bounce. Um, and I'm done for the day. No, I'm just kidding. But I did snag that. And honestly, I'm gonna let the other half ride, but I honestly could be done for the day. Let's see if this thing gets pounded back down or if it starts to move up a bit. All right, so hopefully you guys saw what I just did there. I don't even know if I am streaming or not because I don't have them pulled up. Where's Twitch? I'm pretty sure you could still see me if I'm not watching myself. So hopefully you guys saw that. I know it was a pretty early, but let's see. Let's go to YouTube. See if my thing is on or not. CGC, that's a sweet win in literally what, 2 seconds it took me to make that. You guys can hear me, right? All right, so my mic's on. Um, like I said, I snagged that right off the line that I made. That was a pretty quick move. All right, sweet. Yeah, no, so I snagged that. I'm gonna let it ride a little bit. I think these could squeeze a bit. If we can get over this 38.90 area, these could squeeze. So you also have the, what is that, the 50-day moving average. But I'm sure people got in here short pre-market. I know with CRON, man, I wish I kept those put options. I know with CRON, I haven't ordered a short it at 875, but I was watching it at 820. I wanted to try to grab some short. So if it gets above 820 on CRON, we could get a nice squeeze. I would love and love and love for that to happen. That would be huge. Uh, Not too confident it will, but we can always hope, right? All right, CGC. Man, I really hope we can get above this area. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Probably will stuff up here and might. I don't really want to short it there because I know this could be a squeeze and trap these guys. All right, come on, keep going a little bit. Let's see how this goes. Let's hope Tandem can get into the 20s. So the rest of marijuana is kind of getting smacked. CGC's hanging. Um, I'll get out of this position at 38. It looks like this could be a good short up here at 38.89. I'm not gonna take it. I just snagged CGC for what, $2 a share, so I'm not gonna take that. I'm not gonna take that risk. I already made. Oh, I guess I only made $1. I don't know. Let's see. I think we could get a push higher. If we do get a push higher, we could go all the way up to 41. That would be tough. If they went green, that would be huge. Come on, keep going. Let's see if we could break through this. Decent amount of volume. I know there's shorts getting squeezed that chased. CRON propping up. All right, through 39. Nice. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Give me a home run trade one time. I haven't had a home run long, well, tandem, but that doesn't count. That was like a 6 month long. Come on, keep going higher, keep going higher. Let's see, come on. What are you guys trading? Anything? Keep squeezing, come on. All right, sweet. Come on, come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, what are we hitting? 39.50. Let's see. Yeah, I bought. I think I might have bottom ticked that. Should we see? Do I dare to look? I feel like if I look, I'll jinx myself, but whatever. Uh, what am I in on Robinhood? Nothing. All right. CGC. Let's go to candles. What was the low? No, I did not bottom ticket. I missed it by 4 cents. Close though. If I take off my arrow, you could probably see it better. Yeah, so it went right under that. I'm getting pretty good at drawing these lines though. Come on, stay above 39. So I may use this moving average as a stop out. 38.88. It's got to hold above that for me to stay in this. I'll leave these on. SPY's coming back a bit. Nice. All right, so I want to keep seeing this thing squeeze. If we could get over that 40 mark, I think we could go to 41. At 41, I will start to short this. For sure. If we could get there. If we could get there. And I think there's a decent chance to squeeze because these guys are all trapped. Um, yeah, these guys are trapped. Like I said, I was looking to short CRON at 820 this morning. CRON gets through 820, that means all the shorts that were filling here are now underwater, and we go to 850 probably. It would be a crazy move for these to go green, but look, like I'm saying, these guys are short. These guys short are trapped, and this is where you get a nice pop and bounce. So I hope you guys are learning a little something. To just that's why you don't chase, right? Because if you chase, you reverse, you're done. This stock's already down 10%, right? So the SSR is already on. I go long. Okay, if I go long, where's my thing? We have support. I obviously found support at 366, 36.66. If this goes against me, yeah, I'm getting out at 36.50 or probably not 36.50, maybe 36.40. But this is definitely a trap squeeze. This usually happens. And now if we get above this 40 area, whoa, watch out. Could be huge. Would love to see it get above there, but I don't want to be early on a short. I want these to really pop. I want them to give me a chance to make some money. Come on, get above 40. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Get above 40. We'll need some volume. We'll probably need close to 1 million on the 5 to get through that 40 area on the 5-minute chart. Keep going. Let's see. Testing it, testing it. Where's the volume? Come on, come on, come on. Wants it bad. It really, really, really wants it. Bam, got it. Now, even though it doesn't hold, I'm gonna give it more time because it broke through the barrier. Now that there's obviously supply there. So if it can hold that, then we could get to 41. If it's not gonna hold that, that's okay. I'll have a trailing stop and I'll get out probably around 30. Let's see, 39 I'll get out. Like I said, I'm gonna let this guy run. Come on, regain that. Wow, Tesla up 4%, relatively strong. Interesting. That surprises me. Why is my computer frozen? Jeez, don't scare me like that. I've been stuck in trades before where the computer freezes and I'm sitting there short thousands of shares, like no idea what's going on. Turn the computer back on and you're like squeezed. You're down tons of money. It's a really bad feeling. All right, so giving this some time as I already locked in half, so I want to give it time and see what it can do. If it's not going to reclaim, then it's fine. I am already up over $2 a share, so I'm in no hurry. I want this to be a home run, like I said. Come on, stay above 350. Keep going, come on. Pretty brutal drop we just got there. Let's see, CRO win, and not really doing much. Oh, heavy, heavy, heavy. That's not good. Come on. There you go. Get some bids in there. What's everyone else trading? Of course, ERS is down 8% today. I was short that yesterday at 110. What else we got going? What's shippers doing? Oh my gosh. I had a chance to short this pre-market at 212. You suck. Damn. That's a big miss. This company's a scam. Don't touch it. PTI on its way back to 5. They just had an offering. I'm actually surprised. Everyone priced in the offering, so I'm surprised I thought for some reason I thought it would trade up and around the sevens, but definitely not touching that. So NBEV is bouncing a bit too, huh? So you could have played NBEV right off the 4. Let's see, IGC. I was crying when I saw IGC because I covered my short position $1 ago. That would have been a nice little bonus if I left that on till today. Covered the washout. All right, CRON. Look at CRON over 825. This is important, right? Because now, if this gets over 825, you have all of the guys that were shorting this morning. They're now underwater. I know it's not a lot, but when you're up, like I said, I was looking to short CRON at 820. Okay, if I get filled at 820 and the stock drops to 750, I'm up a lot of money. Now as this stock rebounds quickly, I had all these profits, and I'm probably saying, oh, it's going to bounce off at 805. Oh, the VWAP, oh, whatever. I'm making excuses the whole way up saying, oh, it's going to go back down. And now I was up tons of money, and now I'm about to be red. So now you're getting that emotional feel to it, to the trade, and you're like, oh, I'm such an idiot. I was up X amount of dollars in 5 minutes of the market open, and now I'm only up 10 cents or something like that. So it's very important to try to think about what everyone else is doing. And I just know, like as a short seller, because I'm always shorting these stocks. I very rarely go long. And I know if I had a chance to snag CGC at 40 this morning, I would have done it. And I would have shorted that thing. And I would have covered. No, I'm just kidding. I would have covered right here, bought it, and made this. No, I would have been like, yeah, let's go lower. It's going down to back. It's going back to the low 30s. Nah, but that would have been my trade. If I was short, I would have. I probably would have tried to take some. I don't know if I would have snagged it at 36.67. I probably would have taken it 38 if I got it in at 40. But yeah. So let's see how this goes. I'm not going to sell my shares yet, the rest of them. I already made a nice trade to 38, and I got an extra dollar here, so let's see. I'm going to let it ride. I think if we could get above 40, I think we could get to 41. We get to 41, I'll probably lay down a short position. I'll sell my shares, short it. And even if we don't get above this, maybe we go and we reclaim 40 and we go higher throughout the day. And I could always, short it then. But let's see. I want to give this some time and I want it to get to 41. Where is that screenshot I just took? Come on, get above 40. So what is happening, right? Everyone everyone thinks that these are going down. Everyone's watching marijuana. Oh, it's going down. Oh, I'm gonna sell. I gotta sell. I'm losing so much money. Bam. Now they feel like, oh crap, I'm an idiot. I should have held. I knew I should have held, and then like chase it higher, 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 and then next thing you know, hits 41, gets slammed back down. So it's just how I mean, long term CGC is going way down, right? Uh, but these intraday moves, this could easily go. Yeah, everything's red. I'm actually short. I've been short this for like a week, the S&P. I think I'm short. Yeah, I'm short from, you can't see. You can see it on this screen. I'm short from 278. And look at, I mean, this is a big level right here. That 271 level is pretty big. That's pretty important. Um, yeah, like I said, things could get ugly. Yeah, between the S&P and CGC, those two stocks alone are lifting my portfolio higher right now. I know CGC is just a like a day trade, but the S&P is. What else do I have making? Oh, I have puts on the marijuana ETF MJ. That's paying me pretty nice. I have calls on the VIX, which is up. Where is the VIX? It's up 15%. My calls are for what? 20. Oh, CGC, come on. All right, I'm not gonna watch the S&P quite yet. Power Q's getting slammed. 2%. Whoa. If I was a public company, if I owned one and I haven't raised money yet and I owned a stock that's going to need money in the next couple of years, I don't know what they're waiting for. I would have a while ago. I would have done it. I would do it now if I haven't. And this is fantastic. If Tesla can get to 300, I will be the happiest guy in the world. I'm going to put on a fat, fat, fat short position. Come on, CGC, don't die. Don't die on me, please. I really want CGC to get to 41. All right, this is my computer's very, very laggy. I might have to stop streaming. Why is my computer moving so slow? um, so once I exit this trade, if you guys want to CRON long term trash, it's going to 3 probably. Nah, it's probably going to like 5 to be honest, but yeah, no. If it pops enough, I will short swing CRON. If you guys want uh, on Twitch and YouTube. If we want to research a ticker, let's pick one out and research it before I call it a day. I haven't been researching stocks really at all compared to what I usually do, and I want to start building a like a little database in my chat room for us to look at like all the stocks and stuff, so we know what to buy and what to not buy when the market crashes and everything goes on sale and we become rich. So throw some tickers out. Also, if you're on YouTube and you're watching this stream, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting up a lot of stuff. Oh no, come on, come on, come on, CGC. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Bounce, 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 bounce. 389. Should we dip by it? Let's try that. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Maybe we shouldn't try it. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Maybe we shouldn't try it. These are gonna get smashed long term, so maybe I should just walk away with my profits. Stop trying to get fancy and sell, huh? 38.50, 38.50. Should we buy it? Should we buy it? God, there's something wrong with me. All right, how do I get out of this position? Should I wait till it bounces? Is it gonna bounce off the VWAP, or should I just get the hell out at 50? Let's see it bounce a little bit. Ooh, heaviness. Come on, bounce. That's a washout. This is a washout. A washout long buy would be at 38. I thought this was a little bit too quick when I said I wanted to buy 38.90, and you know, maybe it reclaims and goes, but if you really want to be disciplined, you gotta sit and you have to wait till 38 if you want to try to buy that wash. So because you don't want to be down. So if I buy at 30 cents, no, that's like such a bad entry, and entries are so important. Like if you have a bad entry, right? Oh, say you try to buy it and you're like, "Oh, 38, I'm gonna dip buy this." And then the market opens and it quickly drops all the way down to 36. You're gonna get out, and your emotions are gonna be like, "Oh crap, I just lost a bunch of money." So that's why entries. I was never down. That's why I've been so comfortable throughout the entire trade. I mean, don't get me wrong. I gave back a lot, but that's what happens when you try to go for, a home run. Let's see if this can reclaim 40. If not, we're just gonna have to get the hell out. Give it a minute. What's CRON? TLRY came back a bit. Let's see if CGC. I think CGC is probably the best marijuana stock. Got something on my mic. All right. ERS. EARS. You suck. Netflix taking a hit. Ooh, market under 270. Watch out below. Uh-oh. Ha- I think I remember the 265 area being the next. Wow, this could get really ugly. Really, really, really ugly, in my opinion. Let's look at the 3-month daily. Why did I want to say 265? Was that the 265 or was it 250? Was it 250 that was the hold on, let me get out of my CGC. Wow, market is getting slammed. All right, so CGC relative weakness or relative weakness. Market's getting slammed uh in a sector that needs to go down a lot. I'm not going to sit around any longer and I'm going to get out here. All right, just got filled. I'm all done with CGC. That was a sweet win. That was a lot of fun. All right, let's watch the market. Let's look at the 1-year chart. Why did 264 is the next area I had, but why? Why did I have this area? My charts get messy over time. 5 years. Was it the peak of something? No, huh? This was just an intraday line. 264. Nah, I don't like that line. I'm getting rid of that. It's nothing. Okay, CGC. Now you want to go higher. Damn marijuana stocks. Like I said, if CGC does go to 41, I will reshort it. 100%. I will start laying into my shorts as well as CORON. All right, what am I looking for? MU's pretty tough. We could do that. I haven't looked into MU yet. AMD, Nvidia. So yeah, we can try to look into one of these companies. Those are tough businesses to analyze, but We can just go through them briefly. I was kind of feeling a little Snap. Snap might be a buy. Look at this thing. It's just, I mean, I used to be the biggest hater of Snapchat. I thought it was the worst company of all time. But down here in the sixes, you never know. With social media, you don't know. They can, oh, CGC reclaim the 39. That's all right. Let's wait. Um, yeah, but like not that much revenue growth. I mean, yeah, there is, but we have to dig into the 10K and see about the users, right? You can't look at for companies like Snapchat, Twitter, Spotify, who else? I mean, a lot of companies, you got to look at the user base. You want to see how much money they're spending to attract users. Uh, how long are these users staying? That's really the way to value that company. And it would take a lot of time to do Snap. It would take, you know, a long time. Let's see if there's any good trades. Mm-mm-mm. Definitely don't need that anymore. I don't want these ugly things on my screen. So, what's AMD? Ooh, MU's getting. Where's my crosshair? $37.42. Should we try to buy some? Alright, get CRON off the screen. Come on, let's see if we could get filled on MU. CRON still holding 8. CGC 838.50. NBev trash. Yeko trash. EARS trash. Apple okay. Sketcher okay. Tesla yeah. PTI I want to keep an eye on still. God knows why this stock is up. This is trash. Netflix is good. Shipper done. Snap okay. Tandem okay. CZR okay. All right. MU. All right. Let's see if I get filled on this. Maybe we should. Let's look at the options. If I get filled, I'm not going to hang around long with the market tanking. Let's look at the 5 minute. Jeez, we're getting wrecked. All right, I'm probably gonna get filled here. Surprisingly not. Market going lower. This is brutal. Oh, come on. You couldn't have filled me before making that bounce. Could be a fake out and go lower. The market looks heavy. I would imagine it would be heavy. I would imagine a lot of people are like, you remember everyone was panicking not that long ago. Everyone's probably panicking again. Now it's lower and they're like freaking out and everyone's going to start selling their stuff. Some people are going to hold, not knowing what they're doing. We had a nice bounce since we were at this area last time, so it gave people a chance to hedge themselves better. Although you did have to pay a lot more to hedge yourself compared to what uh, it was before all that stuff happened. I'm really hungry this morning. Come on. All right, so I'm gonna take this order off of MU. Oh, I forgot to hit the button to even have it, but that's all right. It was a small position anyways, and it wouldn't have been anything crazy. 42 to, I mean, yeah, that would have been nice, but 30 cents, but not too crazy. But if the market does bounce, we could see this get back up to 38. I'm not sure if my entire page is red. I got a lot of marijuana stocks on here though. I got a lot of trash companies. Trash gets hit the hardest. IW. Hmm. This is only down 2.5%. No, I did not. I did not short MU. I tried buying it at 37.42. I didn't get filled. I took off the order anyways. All right, let's see what else we got going today. Oh, what the hell? I'm not watching this. So with the market bouncing a little bit, I would expect MU to be a little bit higher, but it's not really following the market. Let's see if there's anything else worth watching. Mm, I don't really see much that I'm interested in. Tesla, please go higher. Maybe hey, you know what? I might trade Tesla. Just gotta be careful. Tesla's very strong with the market going down so much that if the market does go up, if we do bounce back up to 270, we could see Tesla break over 280, I bet. I want to buy those put or those calls if Tesla was at 272 market. Much of those 280s. 1,300 bucks per, jeez. Oh, here comes MU at that 42 range, that 42 area. Let's take a look. Oh my God, that's ugly. That's not good. We might get lows. So I would have got filled on MU. I don't know if I would have wanna been. I would have a very short leash. All right. So the market's bouncing. MU's bouncing, but uh, probably wouldn't have been worth that trade. Wow, my marijuana puts are going off. Marijuana's getting slammed. That would have been a nice add on CRON at 820. Darn. Tandem trying to go into the 20s. SKX getting hit, Apple getting, everything's getting just crushed. Pretty ugly stuff overall that I'm seeing. So let's see if that MU trade would have been nice at 42. You've been snagging that. I would want a lot more than 30 cents. I would want at least probably $1 per share. But MU's been heavy too, so the program, the software is Interactive Brokers Thinkers Trader Workstation. I would be selling my MU long if I kept that order on. I'd be selling half of it here in the 80s. 40 cents, yeah, that's like decent. Will the market bounce? Alright, let's add some there. Let's add a little bit more than that. Alright, let's see if that works. Oh, don't bounce without me. You, didn't, you forgot to fill me. Fill me, fill me, fill me. Alright, so it's 10:30. I kind of wanted to get long. Gates OG. I didn't get filled though. And honestly, I think I might walk. Because I already nailed CGC. I do like this though. I like this over 37.20. I think it could run a bit. I think it could maybe even go green if the market bounces. Market looks, no one knows what's going on, but it looks like we could get a bounce, maybe higher, but I don't know. All I know is I got the itch to trade, so usually when that happens and I have a nice win, I should probably just walk away so I don't give any back. Um, I still have my SPY short. Testing 269, might go under. I kind of want to try HOG, but maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should walk. Um, let's give it one more minute and I'll decide. I have to, if I don't get in HOG, I gotta get up and like really take a walk because I'll trade all day. FIRE. Oh, I wish I didn't unsubscribe from that. All right. All right, I gotta get out. I'm not gonna trade this. It's gonna go without me. On a market bounce, it'll go. The market might not bounce though. MU would have worked for 40 cents. Oh, it looked like it did test 38. So that would have been a nice 60-cent win. Um, Other than that, I haven't really seen much that I like. Supreme Cannabis Company, blah 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 blah. Da, 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 da. We're issuing a lot of shares. Let's go. HOG is above 37 now. Bummer. I should have scaled it maybe with 100 shares then too. Then, um, HOG. This is the move that I thought we could get. I like trading. I kind of like trading large caps. So, I think if HOG gets above 38.20 and the market bounces, I think you could get a nice little win. Maybe okay to play some options. Maybe okay. Let's take a look. 38s, 39s. If you go green, you bank. What's the red? 38. Can we get to 38? That's the question. You got the whole like Trump tariff thing going on too with this, so eh. I think you could get above 38 easily. It's been beat down. I guess I'm not gonna play. All right, yeah, I'm not gonna play. I'm not. I gotta walk. I gotta take a little break, I guess, because I'm just. Oh, here it is. It's going above that 320. I think you could get $1 a share out of this, kinda. I might take some off here at 60 cents. 50 cents, I mean, I don't know. I would like to see 38. Here it comes. Oh, sorry, I don't. You guys are sitting here watching the options. Put on the large cap. So, another thing is on level 2 with large caps isn't all that important. Sometimes I like to see the order flow come in, but let's be real. All these guys got money and they're all trading these with a lot of money. So unless you see something really, really crazy, it might be better to compare your side-by-side screens with the S&P or Power Q if you want to use that. Uh, but yeah, come on, get above 30. But all right, Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. Um, I don't know. I guess if you guys want, jeez. I don't get a penalty for day trading because I have $25,000, so I could day trade as much as I want, unless I lose all my money and I go under that. That would be awful. Um, yeah, I'm gonna take a little break so I don't trade anything. I had a nice one on CGC and I'm not trying to give it back. I was interested in HOG. I kind of still like it, but I'm not gonna buy it unless I get a good entry. Ooh, Tesla. I do like Tesla short, kinda for like a little trade, but I want to see it run first. If Tesla can run higher, I'm gonna wait on Tesla for a better entry. If you guys want though, I guess I could stream my screen and just leave it on for a couple hours. I don't know if anyone was gonna sit and watch it, but since I'm not gonna trade, you can look at the scanner. I don't know. I liked HOG long. That was kind of it. MU I liked as well. What's that at? It's still floating around at 37. That 37.42 would have been a good buy area. Uh, what else was there? I'm sure there's tons of stuff out there, but I'm not gonna get caught up um trying to trade when I already got a nice win and my portfolio's already pretty much hedged perfectly. Not perfectly, obviously, but pretty good. Ooh, S&P. So let's see if HOG is working. I don't know if you guys even want to watch that scanner or not. I might just end the stream unless you guys want it. MU not working that well. HOG working pretty well. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I don't trust the market bounce though, so but then again, who knows? Market's all the way up here, so all right. Yeah. All right. I'm out of here before I start doing stupid stuff. So, appreciate everyone tuning in. Don't know if I'll be back later or not. I'm gonna take a good break, probably until 2 o'clock. If the market wants to play games, it can play them without me. I don't want to get sucked into doing anything stupid, trying to get greedy. So I'm out of here. Thank you everyone for tuning in. If you're on YouTube, definitely like, subscribe to my channel. Twitch, follow me. I'm out of here, guys. Thanks for tuning in once again. Uh, as the market starts to take another bath. If I don't hang up, I'll never leave. So peace. Thanks again.